That is a debris ball. That bright pink shade, that is the tornado. There's no question about it. It's there, it's down, it's doing damage. Tornado right there, moving north and east. Again, the city of Smithville right here. Tornado in progress. We need you sheltered immediately in the city of Smithville.
Get your fork, maybe a taller bowl.
Smells like ranch.
It smells. It's
what's ranch without a chip?
Tripping, you
so,
know.
Speaking of fall, early look into Saturday's forecast, the humidity is going to come back. So this treat that we're about to get tonight into Thursday, unfortunately, will not last.
Garth, I sure appreciate you spending a few minutes here with us this morning.
Thank you, Isaac. And don't forget the weather for that day for me, okay?
I gotcha.
Over to Isaac for the big talk of the day.
Yeah, Keely, all eyes on the sky for storm potential as well as eclipse potential out there. It's cloudy over MSU's campus. Let's look at Davis Wade.
WCBI First Alert Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Isaac Williams.
Thanks for sticking with us here on Midday. It is a cloudy afternoon, a little bit of haze out there as well. It is warm and it is quite humid. Bad news with the cloud coverage out there, of course, since we are just about 45 minutes away from the solar eclipse beginning across the United States. It's a similar view over in Vernon as well. Again, looking at the satellite picture, we had a little sunshine at about 9 or 9:30 or so, but we now see the clouds filling back in, and unfortunately I think the chances of cloud breaks during the eclipse fairly minimal, but still there's a hope and there's a chance here that between 1:50 and 2 o'clock in North Mississippi and West Alabama, again a cloud break or two, we might notice a little bit of the sky dimming, but that dramatic effect that folks would have with a clear sky, we're simply not going to get that here. We do have some severe thunderstorm risk out there in the far northeastern portion of Madison County to the south and west of Kosciuszko. This is a hail-producing storm that is kind of straddling here where Madison, Leake, and Attala counties all come together. A severe thunderstorm warning continues there. To the north, we had a severe thunderstorm warning for the western part of Grenada County. Rural areas out here affected. We still have some hail potential there, but the warning that was in effect has been allowed to expire just 2 minutes ago. But still, the city of Grenada could be dealing with some pretty hefty rain and eventually at least some maybe dime to nickel sized hail in the next 15 to 20 minutes. These storms are moving off to the east and northeast, and again, those are really the only two things on the board. We note a few showers down here in Winston and Noxubee counties, but overall the coverage is still relatively scattered. But we do expect things to pick up a little bit more so later on today. You can see the satellite across the state once again showing that widespread cloudiness. So some spotty rain, an embedded storm or two become a little bit heavier as we go into the evening hours. And the latest Futurecast, I think, showing it nicely here. Here is 3 o'clock. Again, a few of those pockets of heavier shower and thunderstorm activity. And then by 5 o'clock, again, you can just notice the rain intensity becomes more widespread. It becomes heavier as well. This is going to go into the overnight hours. Again, we could see some heavier rain at times. This purple and black in Futurecast, that's indicating some severe potential likely to stay just south of us. And then through the day tomorrow, once again, a steady to almost constant rain for most of the day. And then getting into tomorrow night, this time, this batch of storms may not stay south of us. So again, this active pattern means rain and storms are very likely over the next few days. Wednesday still holds the best potential to see more widespread storm potential, including the chance of some severe weather. The entire state is in a risk, the higher probabilities for now over the southern half of the state. And last but not least, just the heavy rain risk. We're in a high risk here across Mississippi and Alabama for some flash flooding, particularly on Wednesday. We'll see a few showers left over Thursday and finally some sunshine into your weekend.